Hey guys, most welcome to today tutorial. Hope all of you fine. Dear friend, it is my humble request to you subscribe our YouTube channel, like the video, and now we are going to start our tutorial. Dear friend, humble request, subscribe, like and comment this tutorial. The shape is